All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Drip Network, get 365% back off your initial investment, 1% a day. All kinds of cryptocurrency projects. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yep, Dogelon Mars or Dogelon Mars. Elon, what's going on with this token? Price is up right this second. Check out their Twitter account, everything else. Also, will the board yacht this new Ape Coin? Will the Ape Coin get accepted? What's going on with this? We got a new coin, and is it going to be adopted by people? We'll have to see. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Gas prices are still high, food prices are still high. Maybe looking for that cryptocurrency project that you can get into that can actually help you to make that extra $500 to $1,000 a month to help hedge against high food and high gas. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Elon is 142. It's actually up right this second, which is fantastic. 7.43% for the last 7 days. For the last 24 hours, it's actually up about 4%. Fantastic. We're clicking it. Over here to the right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And it's 746. We'll do a price prediction when we're done here. So this is nice. We got a little traction going on with Elon right this second. Up 4% for the last 24 hours. Up about 7 or 8% in the last 7 days, which is fantastic. A lot of good things going on with the Elon. Over here at their website, new face look, Dogelon Mars. There's 6 places right here where you can see you can buy cryptocurrency. You can easily go right on crypto.com and get yourself some Dogelon Mars today. Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and of course Gemini. Right here, Elon, Dogelon Mars price prediction. Elon's outlook improves 2022 pricing. All right, there's Dogelon Mars right there. It says Dogelon Mars, the current momentum of Dogelon Mars is bullish right now. The current outlook on Dogelon Mars, 71% of the field market right now is positive on Elon. Only 29% of the field is negative on Elon. Here's some market cap and some volumes. This is where they believe the market cap is at 139 right now. They believe it can go higher. The current market cap value is 384 and higher. Volume trade in terms of money value is 6.71 million, and it can go higher. Here you go, some Dogelon price predictions for March 16th here. What are they saying here? Tech News Leader is saying there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and an 87. CryptoPredictions.com is saying 5 zeros and an 1809. So take a look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 189. That's what they believe. Wall Investors is putting it at 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 2119. So there's some price predictions right there for you. All right, the outlook today, the indicators, the price is higher, market cap is higher, the trading volume is higher, social media sentiment is lower, social media trend is lower, the Google trend is higher on this token. How high will Dogelon Mars coin go? It is highly unlikely to predict how high Dogelon Mars can go. For Dogelon Mars to rise, it will need to burn billions of tokens. Added to the Dogelons needs to be supported by big whales. Now remember, the whales are actually 3/4. 3/4 of the people that own the Dogelon Mars is whales. So we have to swim with the whales. We have to do what the whales are doing. So, all right, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. There's some price predictions from what they said. We'll come back on ours a little bit later. All right, what's going on with this Ape Coin? Is it going to get adopted? What's happening? The Bored Yacht Club, yay apes? Let's check it out. Don't forget to hit that like button. All right, will this Bored Ape Yacht Club theme restaurant accept the Ape Coin? All right, look at that. We're thinking about accepting it. According to our sources, Los Angeles chef Andy Nugent is going to open a Bored Ape Yacht Club first restaurant. With this venture, Nugent intends to demonstrate how the BAYC and NFTs making potential can translate into the real world. All right, so we're going to be serving some hamburgers and fries here with the Bored Ape here. Nugent paid $267,000 for Bored Ape number 6184 and 2 mutant apes earlier this month to gain access to the IP ownership rights and community offered to the NFT holders. All right, take a look at that NFT 267. There's a little hamburger right there. BAYC restaurant dubbed the Bored and Hungry. Take a look. Bored and Hungry will open a pop-up on April 9th in Long Beach, California. Packaging a personal uniform will be printed with the Bored 8 Yacht Club's graphics for the smash burger concept. The Thrill Burger, a multi-patty smash burger where caramelized onions and special sauce will be the centerpiece of the menu at the Bored and Hungry. All right, cryptocurrency coming to the Bored and Hungry. The intentions of this project is to give the Web3 community as well as a place to educate those that are skeptical about the new world. Our goal is to be the purpose to bridge the digital world with real life experiencing. Doing something that is familiar at the same time as something different. Bored Ape Yacht Club launches Ape Coin, the next moon rocket. Will Ape Coin be the next moon rocket? Put it on your radar. Recently, the launch of Ape Coin has been a success with the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Culture, gaming commence and expecting to benefit from the asset. Ape Coin holders will have an exclusive access to 62% of the total supply. So it looks like we got airdrops coming here. Ape Coin, will it be a hit? I don't know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So Bored and Hungry, opening next month. Pretty awesome, everybody. They're taking NFTs and bringing it into the real world. They're going to try to educate people that are still skeptical about the new world of digital currency. Well, you know it's not going to be going anywhere anytime soon. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to Dogelon Mars. All right, back over at the website, I am Dogelon Mars. Come and join us and we'll reach the stars. They got 650,000 people in their community for Twitter, over 90,000 in their Telegram group. They got their Sega Begins. Right here is their comics. You kind of like their roadmap. You can check that out. Right now, Dogelon is ranked at 142, 410 million in market cap, and 8.99 in the volume. There's a little quick start of how you can set up your MetaMask. A lot of people have their MetaMask set up, but if you do need some help, you got a little quick start right here. I'm looking forward to you guys finally abolishing daylight savings time. It's made time travel to and from Earth very disordinate. So yep, so Dogelon is happy that the daylight savings time is gone for good here. Don't forget, you can get your Dogelon on Gemini. We knew that. Fuse the marketplace right here, Fuse Network. You can go to this site. You can do passive income with your Fuse pools and Dogelon Mars. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. This token is up right this second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros plus a 6. Remember those other coins have them smashing this zero. My price prediction is this can get to 84.84, a little bit higher. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. Again, right here, it's nice seeing everything green right there. Right below Dogelon, GMT is up 151%. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network at 365%, 1% back every day. Having a lot of good times here with cryptocurrency, talking about cryptocurrency projects, going over coins, all kinds of good stuff. Hey, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.